In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to perform a disk cleanup for the C drive so that you have a faster Windows 10 PC. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. So you want to clean up your C drive, but you are having a confusion about how to do it, and you have a Windows 10 PC. My friend, it is super easy, but I do understand that sometimes this could become challenging. Let me make this simple, quick and easy for you. So if you want to clean up your C drive, you could just go ahead and do a search for disk cleanup. Okay, if you have a Windows 10 PC, this is super simple, right? So you could just click on this application and it opens. Once you do that, you get a pop-up like this out here. Now on this pop-up, you would be given options as to which drive you want to clean up, or which part of your SSD or HDD you want to clean up. So if you want to do a cleanup for the C drive, you could just select C drive and you click on OK. Now once you do that, your computer or your laptop is going to calculate as to how much space you are going to get after cleaning up your C drive. As you can see, I regularly do a cleanup, hence I do not have a lot of cleaning up to do. To be very honest, I do this once a week. I think you should do this too. Okay, so here after you get this pop-up, you are going to see all the files that is suggested by Windows 10 that could be removed from your computer system without any harm. Okay, so you checkbox everything out here. Okay, and as you can see, if you do a cleanup, for example on my system, I am going to get 112 MB. Now if you haven't performed this function for quite some time, you are going to see a higher digit out here, maybe 1 or 2 GB or even 5 GB at times. Okay, if you haven't performed a disk cleanup for a month or 2 or a year or whatever it is. Alright, I do understand. That is the reason why you're watching my video for today, to understand how this is done properly, right? So once you checkbox everything out here, you could just click on OK. You're going to get a pop-up like this, which is going to warn you and tell you that if you do this, everything that you're clearing off is going to be deleted permanently. Okay, if you're okay with that, you could click on delete files, and it takes like few seconds to few minutes and your disk is clear. Now once you clear off your C drive, not only would you have a smooth working PC, and also the applications and other functions on your Windows 10 PC would work smoothly. Now as a bonus tip, what you could also do is clean up your other drives on your computer system. Okay, it's very simple. So you could just click on this cleanup out here and open the application. You get a pop-up like this, and you get an option to clean up D drive and E drive, like I mentioned to you earlier. Okay, do this one by one. Select D drive, click on OK, delete unwanted or temporary files. After you perform a cleanup for the D drive, you could also do for the E drive or whatever drives you have on your computer system for Windows 10. So I hope this information was interesting. If you found it interesting, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and smash the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.